In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of GitHub Desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the sign out option and what to expect after you log out, so you can switch accounts or troubleshoot authentication issues with confidence. First, open the GitHub Desktop application on your computer. Before you sign out, it's a good idea to make sure any work in progress is saved and any changes you want to keep are committed. Logging out won't delete your local repositories, but it can interrupt actions like pushing or fetching until you sign in again. So wrapping up your current task helps avoid surprises. With the app open, look toward the top of the window for the menu bar. On Windows, click File. This menu contains app-level actions and settings you'll use occasionally. If you're on Mac OS, you'll find similar settings under the GitHub desktop menu at the very top of your screen. The idea is the same. We're heading into the app's settings to manage your account. Next, select Options. This opens a settings window where you can adjust preferences for the app. On macOS, you'll see this as Preferences instead of Options. Either way, you're in the right place when a new window appears with several categories down the side. In that settings window, click the Accounts section. This tab shows which account is currently signed in along with the provider such as github.com or an enterprise server. It's a helpful spot to confirm you're about to sign out of the correct account, especially if you switch between multiple profiles for work and personal projects. Now, click Sign Out. You may see a brief confirmation or a quick spinner while GitHub Desktop removes your credentials from the app. After you sign out, your local repositories remain exactly where they are on your computer, and their remotes are still configured. The difference is that any action requiring authentication, like pushing, fetching, or creating pull requests, will prompt you to sign in again. That's expected and ensures your account stays secure. If you don't see the sign out button, you may already be signed out. Double check that you're on the Accounts tab. If you use more than one provider, make sure you're viewing the correct account entry before signing out. And if the app seems stuck, closing and reopening GitHub Desktop can refresh the session. That's it. You opened GitHub Desktop, went to File, chose Options, selected Accounts, and clicked Sign Out. Thanks for watching, and feel free to sign back in anytime you need to resume your work.